This automatic peeler can quickly remove the skin of pineapple in only 10 seconds. Grinding of caramelized hazelnuts to make praline can be viewed here. Hammond's Candies is a renowned American candy producer of hard candies, chocolates, lollipops, ribbon candy, and its signature, oversized candy canes. All Hammond's products are organically made, non-GMO, and vegan, ensuring a delicious and healthy treat for all. Breading machines quickly produce delicious snacks, ready to be baked. Powerful and efficient slicing of thin, regular pieces is achievable with food slicers. A croissant is a French pastry with a distinctive crescent shape, made using laminated dough leavened with yeast and generously layered with butter. Its inspiration is the Austrian Kipferl, a buttery and flaky viennoiserie delicacy. The winemaking process of devatting involves draining the wine through a valve via oxidation. Equipment for food processing involves components, machines, and systems that are used to manage, prepare, cook, store, and package food. The Texas Roadhouse onion blossom recipe showcases a whole onion cut into individual petals. This machine is capable of producing 3,600 partitions per hour. Automated turners make it much simpler to cook ingredients without burning them. With one operator, multiple pots can be handled simultaneously. Because pasta dough is so tough, workers would walk over large batches to knead it by food. The ARP-15 combines cutting-edge vision and robotic technologies with state-of-the-art computer programming.